Pixie Glow Tonic, toning my skin quickly. This may not be the right way to tone your skin, but I have got blemishes, dark spots and pimple issues. So people with oily skin tone and blemishes can apply the toner generously and then tone their skin. Next, Lakme Absolute Mousse Foundation. It's in this consistency, mousse like consistency. The shade name is Page Honey. Taking a little bit of this. Next, hiding the dark spots using Dermacolor Camouflage Cream. This is like this. This one is very dark compared to my skin tone. Then only it can effectively hide the dark spots. So, if you're someone who doesn't have any dark spots, brown spots, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, blemishes and red dark circles, you can totally skip this step. I'm not using any orange corrector today. Just simple quick routine. Actually my mirror is on that side, that's why I'm looking there. See, just 20 seconds all my blemishes, dark spots are gone. This is such a magic product. I've made a complete video about this Dermacolor Camouflaged cream. I'll attach it in the I button above. You can watch it later. Setting everything in place using L'Oreal True Match loose powder. Base is done. Let's move to eyebrows. Shaping it using a spoolie brush. If you don't have a spoolie brush, you can get it from any of the cosmetic stores and in shops like MAC and all. They keep some spoolie brush for tester purpose to try their mascara and all. You should not use the direct spoolie from the product, so they keep some tester spoolie brushes. You can ask the counter people, they'll give you. You can pick 2 or 3 from there. Next, I have a very beautiful product. This is Eye Kohl Crayon by MAC. It's in the shade Teddy. Such a beautiful product. Smoky eyes in 20 seconds. Without any mess, without any eyeshadow palette. This product has got blend of very beautiful colors. Like you can see a tint of brown, golden, even purple, black and brown. Such a beautiful product. You get smoky eye with a no minute, but this pencil is kind of expensive. Quickly drawing the brows. Using a lip liner from Lakme Absolute. It's in the shade Poppy Red. Very good for pigmented lips. You may use this under any lip color. It's not necessary that your lip pencil and your lipstick should be of the same shade. But one thing is for sure, use a lip liner which is darker color if you have pigmented lips. I'm going to use a very old Maybelline lip color. On one side it has got the gloss stick, on the other side it has got the lip color. This is a mauvey pink color. That's it. To give little bit dimension to my face, I'm going to use MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish Powder. It's in the shade Dark. I'm going to use it with a brush. I'm going to cut my face so that it can look slimmer. Always use a darker shade at the side of your nose and under your cheekbone and on the perimeter of your face, just in the outer corners. I'm gonna finish off the look by using some mascara, Maybelline Hyper Curl. Finishing off the look by keeping some bindi. Yeah. As this is kind of traditional look, I feel like having a little bit of wing on my eyes. For the wing, I'm going to use Nykaa Get Winged liquid eyeliner. Very easy. That's it. I feel like using some blush. This is an eyeshadow from Body Shop. So this is slightly peach in color. I'm gonna use this as my blush. Just smile and then apply it on the apple of your cheek and extend it outwards.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
I'm going to add some highlighter. This is by Kryolan. This gives a very natural tint of shine. Very natural. Ideal for daytime look. That's it guys, face makeup is done. I'm gonna finish off the look with some jhumkas